Okay, first I'll show you what forms the verb. Be has in the present tense, and then I'll explain how and when to use it. The verb be has 3 forms in the present tense depending on the subject: am, is, and are. If the subject is I, we use am. I am. If the subject is singular he, she, it, we use is. He is, she is, and it is. If the subject is plural you, we, they, we use are, you are, we are, and they are. We often use the following contractions: I am, you are, your, he is, his, she is, she's, we are, we're, it is, it's, they are, they are. Okay, when and why do we use the verb be? We use be after the subject when we want to describe it. The description could be the subject: size, shape, taste, color, location, appearance, temperature, state, or any other characteristics of the subject. For example, size. This car is huge. That phone is so tiny. Shape. This room is square. The ball is round. Taste. Your pasta is gross. This fish is delicious. Color. Your face is all red. Location. Mom, I'm at the police department. Appearance. The Miss Universe is so ugly. Temperature. It is so hot in here. State. Dude, your phone is broken. I am so scared of spiders. Just remember, when you give any kind of description of the characteristics of the subject, you have to use be after the subject, before the description. To form a question, we put be before the subject. For example, where am I? Why are you here? When is this performance? Why is she so fat? And to make a negative statement, we use be plus, not, I am not, you are not, or you aren't. We make a negative statement, he is not, or he isn't. She is not, or she isn't. It is not, or it isn't. We are not, or we aren't. They are not, or they aren't. That's pretty much it for now. Stay tuned.